Y'all thought it was gone, right? Y'all thought it was over. Let me tell y'all something though. When he say ESC for life, he mean that shit. It's the return of the underdog, the voice of the people. And he's still 100 words of running, so y'all better lay the fuck.
Straight from the motherfucking jungle. From my type of bitch, I'm ready to rumble. They cook, God never win, fuck me humble. Whole city on my back and I ain't gon' stumble. My heart like an Ethiopia skin tone. Mama shut up, cut up below me or someone I was gonna be a problem when I kiss this thing hard.
Look out here, please, I've been gone.
And I'm never gonna back again. Cause I'm block on the trap you in. I done lost so many friends in the street out here. You soon to not know what's happening. Hard gas in, get a book, we ain't back again. Ain't shit about a fancy man. Welcome to the east side of a happy man. I'ma put this motherfucker on the map again. You gon' get a member, let's just never die. Cause I ain't dying anytime soon with a map. I'm down here, though, goddammit, with a legendary flow. And the name that's forever mine. Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm on another level, ain't nobody off with me. The brothers and brothers couldn't get you on my level, and that's cool. Company, everybody, I'm good, yeah. And when I step into the bed and everybody put their motherfucking hands up. Put them up, it's down. Yeah, and when I come into the spot, I'm a real motherfucker, go stand up. Yeah, who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Underdog of the year, call me Black Stout. Underdog of the year, call me Rocky Roger. Don't act like you ain't copy. Bitch, I'm hot shit. You can't knock me. Bitch, rock bottom. Who gon' top me? EFT, need to keep that cop. Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Everybody get the fuck out. Show me a rapper that you think is iller than me. I better pull a fucking tongue out. And if everybody thinking they're falling like I'm running home run, and he's playing from the dugout. Yeah, bitch, what now? Hat to the side, bag jumping in my eyes, got me looking like I'm strung out. Can't even get out of bed without a pair of original chucks. Lace up, looking like I'm finna run out. Look at who I bring out. And he's showing every single city I step into, the other people come out. Every single stage on my own, I'm a dumb out. Yelling, yes, I'm up on a run out. And that's why I love my fans. That's why my fans are my fam. Took it from the bottom and we never going back again. Lace up, sleep dance and I'm back again. Hell, yeah. And when I step into the bed and everybody put their motherfucking hands up. Put them up. Let's go! Yeah! And when I come into the spot, I'm a real motherfucker, don't stand up. Yeah. Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Underdog of the year, call me Rock Stout. Underdog of the year, call me Rocky Roger. Don't act like you ain't copy. Bitch, I'm hot shit. You can't knock me. Bitch, rock bottom. Who gon' top me? ESC, be the team that got hell. Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me?
Little red on the feet. Lace up.